Okay, so my mom brought me the package from Forever 21, and like she took her stuff out of it or whatever, and she brought it so I could open it on camera. But I got this like baseball t-shirt in a small. It's not really small, but I don't like tight shirts anyways.
Maybe it'll shrink a little bit. Oh, girl.
That's our horn.
That was me.
Oh, that was you.
Yeah.
Then I got this striped shirt. I've been really wanting a striped shirt, and I'm glad it's kind of big because I didn't want it like fitted.
Imagine you would have got a medium. It would have like been on the floor.
And then
wait, that is a medium, huh?
I think it is a medium. Yeah, it is a medium.
Oh,
it would have
okay.
been smaller. And I got this like button-up shirt. I don't kind of really like how it's longer in the back.
I didn't even notice.
This was $4. I get my nut button today.
Oh, great.
Did it come already?
No.
Oh. Said it's on the way. Okay, so I just got home and I made coffee for my mom and dad, and I'm gonna drink some too because my head kind of hurts, so I don't think my coffee did me justice. I opened my package in the car. I didn't open it like on camera because I'm stupid. Basically, I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see my first impression of them. So I mean, that's something. So I'm gonna change out of them, and I got 3 shirts and I got this necklace. This necklace is really cute. I thought it was like edgy. Are my teeth getting gaps? No, I'm just paranoid because I haven't been wearing my retainer like all day. Don't mind my room, like I still have to put my clothes away and I have to make my bed or whatever. Oh, this is a shirt I got from Target. It was in my last video. Oh no, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. This is why I'm scared of buying things online, because like, what if I don't like it? Okay, it's see-through, 100%. But I like it. Like, I'd wear this. Like, it's cute. I like it. I like it. It's just, it's kind of an inconvenience that it's see-through, but I'll just wear a black, like, tight undershirt for this. But I like it. It's cute. It's like, it's tomboyish, and that's like the look I'm going for. Oh yeah, love that. I wish it was a little bit longer. So basically I thought this was just like a simple button-up shirt. Well, honey, I was wrong. And it also was like long in the back, which I don't kind of really like. Like, I used to wear the shirts like that when I was little, so I don't really like them. Okay, so this is a shirt. Like, okay, here's my thoughts on it. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I love it or if this just has to grow on me. Ooh. It's like longer in the back. You can see it right here. It's like longer. I don't know if I hate it. You know what I mean? Okay, so my mom didn't hate the shirt. My dad was like, it's baggy, but he doesn't know that I like baggy clothes, I guess. So yeah, I like this. I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow for school. And yeah, I just ate ramen. I ate half a package. My mom ate the other half. Or like, I don't know, we split it. That's it. So that's what my first package was. I think the nut button's gonna come today. Something else, I forgot. I gotta check my email. I love this. Oh my god. You know? My free trial for Spotify Premium finally. I've been avoiding it. Basically, I was just tired of like not having certain things and like the ads. Usually there's like an ad on the bottom right here and like things going on over here. I really like this. Like, I feel like me, you know what I mean? I literally just ran out to the mailbox. I checked my email after I ordered these 2 posters. And it said, I checked my email and it said that at 5:32 it went, my stuff was here. And it was 5:39, so I ran outside. Oh my god, it came with a sticker. So okay. It came with a free pop socket. There's batteries. Oh my god. Okay, and then I got another package. It's just my, how do I open this? It's my Harry Potter bracelet. Literally almost ordered a nut pop socket and it freaking came with one. Oh my god. Came in this pink box. I don't even, this is mine. It says my name on it. Freaking open, there you go. It came in a little box. Oh my god, it's so cute. I literally thought this was just like a little receipt thing or something. I don't know what I thought it was. Give it to Riley. Here's the sticker. I was gonna buy like a bunch of stickers, but then I was like, that's literally a waste of money, so I'm gonna wait till next time I get money. I have this one on here. This is from when I got my Beats. It has bubbles in it. That makes me upset. I got this from Disneyland. This is from my cup that broke, so I just put it on my laptop. This, I need to take it off. This is from my mom's subscription. This is Turtle Beach, obviously, and then this is from Disneyland too. Right here, there was a different one. I forgot what it said, but yeah. I just ordered 2 posters. I ordered a Panic at the Disco poster and a Lil Peep one. I'm getting 2 Lil Peep ones. The Lil Peep one, the other one I got is like sort of like a drawing type one, and then the second one I got is small and it's glossy, and it's the Comb Over When You're Sober, the part 1. So yeah. Not. Mom's mopping, don't mind her. It's her new hobby. I'm mop. Mop, and she's obsessed with it. Okay, so I just got a poster that I didn't even know about.
Not in this Christian household. We're not Christian.
We're not Christian. Yeah, I was about to say that. Oh! I'm scared. I don't know what it is. I don't even remember. Oh, it's my Harry Potter one. I wasn't expecting this till like February 5th.
They just give themselves extra time.
I don't know if I can show you guys my Lil Peep one. Did I? No. I didn't, huh? That's the least you have to get the camera. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys really quick because I put it up yesterday. I thought I recorded it. Me putting it out, whatever. Supposedly it's like limited edition or something, so I got 89 out of 100. So that's a Lil Peep one. It looks really cool. And then I moved my Stranger Things one, but I think I'm gonna take it out of this frame and give the frame to Evelyn, and I'll just put this on my wall. I don't even know where I should put it. I think I'll put it up right here. I'll move this somewhere else. Be gone. I just got my tapestry. I just got home. I cried in the car because we were listening to Spill Canvas, and I'm very sensitive when it comes to Spill Canvas for some reason. So I think it's my tapestry. I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm gonna open it. It's currently raining outside. Hi, Bean. It's coolio. Hi. Send it back. I'm not even kidding. That's where I'm at right now. That looks good. I like it. I honestly feel so crappy, but I really want to do this. Do I though? Like, I want to hang my tapestry, but never mind. I just got home from the store, and my Lil Peep Come Over When You're Sober Part 1 poster is here, and I'm gonna open it. So like, I'm trying my best to open everything. I think this is it. I'm pretty sure. I don't even know what to expect. Oh, it's so small. You guys don't need to hear her gossip. It's always gonna be orange in my videos. Just kind of like deal with it because I don't like my lighting does not make me look amazing. So obviously I have like all of my, like this right here. So I'll probably just put it right there. Right now I'm going to put up my Bandito, what is this? Bandito tapestry. And then I'm gonna move this down here under the Lil Peep one, and then soon I'm gonna get my other Lil Peep poster. I'm just gonna go over there on that wall for now. Oh, and I have a Pretty Little Liars one, not because I like the show, but just because like I just want to cover up my walls, and like, you know, like that was my childhood kind of. So yeah, I need to buy more push pins. I think my sister's sleeping already, which is kind of lame. We were gonna watch, my mom just got like this shark movie on Redbox, and it looks pretty cool, and I wanted to watch it with her, and she's like went to bed early on a school night, Friday night. So that's kind of like, my room's like hella dirty. I mean, when is it not dirty? Oh, I took off all my nails because they were annoying the crap out of me. This one will not come off though, so I just have to like wait for it to come off. Now I'm going to play music. Oh, I left my laptop out there because I was editing. To go watch that video. This video's gonna be up probably like the 7th or so. Palmer, are you sleeping? What kind of baloney? Now I'm gonna listen to music and put up my tapestry. This is gonna take a lot of work. Okay, and now I'm gonna listen to music and do this, and then I'll show you guys after. Okay, I put it up. It's so nice. It actually covered up my key belt thing, so I put it over there. Obviously, I'm gonna like fill this up, and I think I'm gonna move this over. This, like, I'm not even into makeup anymore, but I mean, it fills up that wall. I'm gonna move that tapestry over, and I think I'm gonna take some stuff down. It's like, why is that Victoria's Secret bag up there? I don't know. Okay, I just like freaking broke a sweat. Okay, so I moved this all the way and I pulled it down. What was I trying to say? And then like right here, I'm gonna put my kind of disco poster because now it fits. And then so like I put this up and I liked it, but then that like there was like this much room from the corner. Like there was like from this corner to like over here, so I was like, that's a waste of room. So I moved both of the posters over, and then I moved this over with it, and now this fits here. So I got this shirt. Okay, so I was editing this video and then I realized like I forgot to say that I ordered $94 worth of stuff from the Lil Peep shop. Well, not like Lil Peep shop, but like from his website. And hun, like I was committed. I was like, I have to get this. So like the Lil Peep post that I was talking about that's gonna go over there, that was like $20. And then the hoodie of Come Over When You're Sober, it's black and it says Lil Peep right here, that was $60. This is the hoodie I got. I got it in medium. I'm kind of scared that it's gonna be huge. I hope that it's not like super huge, that it's like at my knees. And then I got this poster. It's 20 bucks. And then this is Come Over When You're Sober hoodie, and it just says Lil Peep on the front, and then on the back it has Come Over When You're Sober and like his font. And it came out to $94 with shipping and taxes and all that. It's currently in LA. Like it was in LA to begin with, so it'll be here soon. Probably be here either tomorrow or Monday, because obviously mail doesn't come on Sunday. My mom's calling me. That was a bit much. Okay, I'll see you guys whenever another package comes. Me and my dad just walked outside and there was 2 packages, and this was the one I got. This is gonna go right here. Or it could actually go up there. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna go. Okay, we'll do that when I get home because we're about to leave. Careful, baby. I also got my Curology and got ordered on accident. What does it say? Oh my god. Dear Lil Peep fan, Gus had a vision of the world he wanted to share, the vision of love, innovations, creativity, and freedom. He was gracefully transparent in his struggles and triumphs. Gus showed his fans and the world they are not on his journey alone. Gus was a voice for those who didn't have a voice for those who couldn't express what they were feeling. Gus's message deserves to live on through his music, art, and fans. He will be immortal. For that, we thank you, all of you, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you for sharing Gus's vision. Thank you for keeping his spirit alive. You are not alone. There is hope. Oh my god! Oh my god! I literally wrote this down. Look at the sky tonight. All the stars have a reason to shine. That's from Star Shopping. I was like, why are you taking the shirt? Whoa, it has a back. Yeah, come over when you're sober. What is it? Come Over When You're Sober. That's his album name. Part 1 and 2. What size is it? Medium. No, it'll shrink a little bit. Yeah.
Dude, I would sell.
Doesn't want my merch. You have to cut around. Oh. I have to open it that way. Came with another one. Hi, friend. Came with 2. Jeremy, why don't you just go hang it immediately? Yeah, I should just walk with Puma. Okay, so I got my Lil Peep stuff, and my 21 Pilots hoodie is like really far, and personally I don't want to wait to upload this, so whenever I do get it I'll just show it in my video, or I'll wear it in my video. But it's still in Nashville, Tennessee. I also got my Curology. This was like the sample one, and then I got the big one. So I'm gonna finish this one and then use a big one. And my face actually has been getting better. No, I'm not sponsored by them. Boy, do I wish I was. So like my low peep hoodie is like big, and I knew it was going to be because I got it in a medium. But I mean, what do you expect when you get a medium? But I don't care really. Like I don't really like huge hoodies. I mean small hoodies anyways. So yeah, low peep poster. Yeah, that The Office UK is so dumb.
Okay, well,
So dumb.
Who doesn't have it? I'm sad.
It's on Netflix.
I know. But
So this is my Loki poster. It's so nice. I love it so much. And so those are all of the posters I bought and all the stuff. Like I was saying, and then I got my Harry Potter one, and then my Loki one, and then this tapestry. That one's really old. I'm not even... Eh. Later on, I plan to get like something up there, something right there, stuff down there, just like small ones. And then I plan to get vinyls for my record player. I'm gonna wear this to school tomorrow. It's currently Monday. It was freaking freezing today. Like, I was freezing. That was that video. This video was like really super all over the place, but that's kind of what it was for, so that I could just open everything on camera and then use it. For this video, I think it's gonna be up today. Today's Monday, I already said that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. And that's it. Bye.